Healthcare has a philosophy. Do not treat the disease, treat the underlying cause. So if I want to address the underlying causes, the main underlying causes of diseases and premature aging, sudden death, would be the 4 pillars. The weakened immune system, the poor detoxification system, weakened antioxidant system, and uncontrolled chronic inflammation. You need to address these 4 destroyers of your health. And how do you do that? You need to have a formula that addresses all these root causes. Now, this is the reason why sometimes we observe that even patients on insulin to control their blood sugar are able to reduce the dependence on insulin after taking H+. And the only reason why it happens is because H+ addresses a root cause. Can we help other medical problems like hypertension or those with elevated cholesterol? So what do these patients begin to see when they consume H+ on a regular basis? Now, after a few months, patients who are hypertensive will start to reduce their drugs based on the doctor's advice, because their blood pressures become more stable and they start to reduce. So they have their advice from the doctors themselves to reduce the dependence on drugs. And this reduction in the drugs is going to save their kidneys. So H+ actually can save your kidneys as well. Let me tell you a piece of advice for all those who are on cholesterol lowering drugs. Cholesterol is your healthy molecule. The reason why cholesterol is high, it is because it is doing a good job in controlling your inflammation, reducing the side effects of oxidative stress, helps in wound healing, and it does many other jobs, including making vitamin D, your hormones, and your Q10. So cholesterol is not the bad guy. But when the cholesterol is oxidized, then it becomes sticky. What prevents the cholesterol from being oxidized is H+. So H+ can actually reduce the stickiness of your cholesterol, so your blood vessels are also protected. And by controlling the root causes, your body doesn't have to produce so much of cholesterol, which is the reading that we look at. We look at cholesterol levels and we start giving cholesterol lowering drugs. We are not looking at why is your cholesterol high. It is doing a wonderful job in all the 4 underlying causes of diseases that I've mentioned. So can H+ help all these medical conditions? And all of you who want to prevent disease or you want to treat your diseases, help to reduce the complications of the diseases and help to reduce the dependence on the drugs? The solution is H+